welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have these short ribs that we're gonna make. So it's ribs, is cow ribs, so it's short ribs. So watch out how I'm gonna make this short ribs stew. And please give a shout out to Cabo Farm in Toronto. So they have one of the best meat. So this is the meat I brought there today. So good, so fresh. So watch out how I am gonna make this short ribs. So this is it. We already cut all the meat. So it's from Cabo Farm in Toronto, Canada. Go there and get your meat. They have good meat, fresh and so good. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. If you are new on this channel, you are very welcome. So right away we're going to start this very cooking. So it's time to start the cooking. Right away we're just going to add a little bit of oil to the pan before we start. So we're just going to add the meat one after the other. So these are the short ribs. It's gonna mix stew with it. So we have to let it roast from the both sides before we add every other ingredient to it. So this is it. You just have to split. You can see. So we split it. Just have to split everything so that this side will also prepare this part before we will not add all the ingredients to it. So we have to take them out now and just continue with the cooking. Just gonna add a little bit of oil to saute the onions. Now we just add the onions. So the onions is already sauteed. So right now we're just going to start adding all the ingredients we want. So right away I'm just going to add this barbecue sauce. Just 2 tablespoons. The herbs. That is 3 types of herbs there. Thyme, oregano, and rosemary. So now I'll just add a little bit of salt, a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit, and just mix everything together. So we have the paprika. So this is it. Right now we're just gonna add the stock. Remember the stock I made for the previous video with bone? So this is the stock. Just add the stock. good amount of the stock to just add it. Then mix everything together, and we're just going to add all the short ribs. So this is it. Now we just add the short ribs, place them one after the other. This is it. So now we're just gonna cover it up and let it cook, slow cook for at least 1 hour. That is when we bring out these ribs. Oh my God, you'll see how tasty, flavorful this rib will be. So now we just cover it with the cover and let it cook. So this is the outcome. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh wow, these are all so juicy. So right away we're gonna start the serving. Oh my God, can you see this? It's falling off from the bowl. Oh wow. So right now this short rib is cooked. We just have to serve it. So this is it. It's very well cooked. So right now we just have to serve these delicious short ribs. Oh, this is so good. Oh my God, it's so cooked that it's falling off from the bone. Mom, wow, these are the short ribs. This is the short ribs. So right now we just had parsley for the finishing. Just drizzle some parsley to eat. Whoa, this is so good. It's already cooked. Right now I'm just gonna start to eat all these ribs. Very well cooked. Wow, so hot. So thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.